Okay, this one I'm going to start filming. There's some boats right here. There's also a Macau tower right here as well. So and then I'm going to film this yellow wall because there's all this cool artwork. I'll come back to that in a minute. So yeah, you got let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, you got these guys working here. And then you got this Macau tower right there. And then you kind of have all this yellow golden wall here. And we're just going to film along it. I'll show you this one. So Macau 2019 and some of the artwork. So we'll just take a look at some of it. So there's some chickens, and then the chickens kind of go through this machine. So they kind of go, because there's some kind of fire. So I don't know exactly all of it. And it keeps on going. And so I guess it's kind of a continuation. So you can see that it continues across here. And then this is the chicken. Comes out processed, I guess, and then just keeps going through. So it's just so you can kind of see how it all continues. So it goes all the way down like that. Oh, okay. So I guess the chickens go through this way. So we'll come over here as well. So we have this chicken there, and then this flag. I think that's a French flag and a Macau. So you have kind of this whole little thing with like a chicken thing. I guess it's how the chickens go processed, and then there's like chicken legs and all the way out. So I don't know, kind of cool. Look. So then you can even see like these are what's that, chicken prints, chicken feet prints from walking. So okay. So yeah, pretty cool wall, and we're just gonna keep on walking. Let's see what else we have. So there's some more artwork up here. And some art installations. This is if you want to go up, kind of go up these kind of circular little things. And we have more of our chicken artwork again. And I guess that goes all the way around in a loop. Then, let's see, I guess there's no artwork over there. Nice restaurant right here. Not sure this one. And you can also sit outside too, so you can do both. Yeah, and actually this one has all the artwork up there too. So there's the artwork up there. Cat shop. Let's see this one. Faro coffee. We're gonna keep on walking and we're gonna see more. I think this one's a Chinese one. Let's kind of come up and take a look. There you go. And if we're up there, you can see the waterfront, but I kind of want to film here. This shop is, they do art, this special needs kids. So they do some autistic work. I mean, they show off some of the work that the kids do. There's a famous autistic kid who does art here. So it's pretty cool. Secret choice. So this was, you can sit outside. You got some pretty cool bamboo and such too, right? So, okay. Another restaurant. Then there's more. So now you can see the waterfront. So this is what it looks like from up here. You can see kids playing this area, and then we're gonna head back down. So the battery also died on me, but so we'll just continue exactly where we're at and continue along this wall so you can see a little bit more of the artwork. So let's continue, get out of the sun a little bit. And so it looks like we have more of our chicken stuff. I see one anyways right there. This is the bathroom. Usually a lot of Filipinos hang out on weekends here. Tons of them. And Indonesians, but I don't see them today. Hold me up. Smile in your heart. Okay, so we just continued filming the art along this wall. Security. So yeah, today's focus is more of this wall, I guess, isn't it? So you can see all the people. Super Mario Cafe. Afraid this might, my phone might die again, but there's some artwork straight ahead, so we're gonna try to get to it. Oh, this is the autistic shop. Sorry, the other one is wrong. Oh no, they're both Fu Hong. Fuhuang. So I don't want to go inside today, but some of these were drawn by an autistic kid, very talented one. This is also part of it too. Cherish every moment. And then this last one is some more artwork down here too. So we're just gonna film this one. Doing artwork on the trash can. So let's just take a look at this one. This one we have it says China, Macau. So let's take a look. China, Macau. And then we're just gonna go up the just gonna go right up the side there. So we got artwork here, and then we'll see what's up here. Nothing. So this is all the where they put all the maintenance stuff. So let's just walk up, and then we have a view of everything at the top, and we'll look out over everything. So there's the name of this. Nam Van is the lake. So like animation art, something like that. So Anim'Arte, Nam Van. And then there's also, I think there's another sign up here too. So anyways, this is this whole area, and then there's a Macau Tower. Let's just kind of go back up here again real quick. And then this is what we just walked all the way down, and this goes all the way to Macau Tower. And then we had another video where we walked down that way as well. So between the two, you kind of get a viewpoint of what this area looks like. Let's just kind of take a glance around. That's what I just came up. And then this is the other side of the street, which is a little bit covered up and light, a little bit hard to see today. All right, let's end it right there.